Hello everyone, you are welcome to this platform today. Um, this is still Beginner Traders Lounge, and this video is made only for those people that are still finding way to understand some things about the forex trading, and precisely this is trend trading. Trend trading. As we have some traders to trade trend, we have some traders that trade supply and demand, support and resistance, and candlestick traders as well. So here I want to show you how to trade trend. Not only that, but also to mark the markable areas and the drawable areas, that is trend lines. If you are a new or viewer on this platform, kindly subscribe to the channel, help share the link to the channel so that other people will get to know and be benefit from what you are benefiting now as a newbie, and also comment and hit the like button. Do not forget to also turn on the notification bell so that when any video is dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to get to view the video. Thank you for that, and I'll be motivated to drop more videos on this channel. So here actually I've made a video on this instrument crash 1000 1 hour time frame before now, but what happened is accidentally I deleted the video. So since the market has now hit where I envisage to, so I need to do the drawings again so that you know how to do this profitably. Before I made this video when the market was up here, so when I drew the lines, I envisaged that it's going to get to a particular line, the trend line, because this video is mainly on how to draw trend lines and how to trade it, right? So without wasting our time at all, the first thing I think a good trader should do is switching to the higher time frames like daily. I don't want to mention monthly, weekly. Let's start from daily, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour the least, to do all your analysis. And the reason for that is you will see all the touchables, that is the zones, the areas that market had tested and reacted to. That is why. So when you see the screen now, you see everything is clean. You can see them, the touches clearly. And also, that's first thing. The second thing is a good trader should secondly check the trend of the markets. Overall trend of this market is the move of the market, you can see, is uptrend, right? But we may say we have a kind of counter trend here and also trend here, and you can see up here. So these I will call them corrections or retest because the overall trend is uptrend. So after checking the trend, a good trader will as well mark some areas to be able to know the market gets here, this happen or that happen on the instrument of security. As you can see, crash 1000, and after marking, then you switch to a bit lower time frame to uh, check or wait for your opportunities to buy or to sell the security or the instruments. So without wasting time, let me show you what I've done before now, or before when I deleted the video. Alright, just painful that the thing is already in profit now, which I would have just made the video for you to see how it was, but not bad yet. So the next thing I will do is tap my screen and pick the tool to use from here, that icon. And when I do that, when I touch it, I pick my trend line here. When I pick it, then I draw it from where I believe that the market started to be going up, right? And set it make sure you set it very well. It's right there, right? And it is said that if you want to draw trend line, make sure it has two touches at least. Then the third one is going to be a kind of confirmation for what you have to do. Take the trade or wait for a kind of confirmation. So here, as you can see, I have the first touch, second touch. So this third one is what I've been waiting for right from up here. I want it to come down here and what? And the market will bounce back upward. That is what I think. And not just straight upward. If it bounces on this third touch here now with confirmation, I just can't go in like that. So I use candlesticks formation to confirm my entries, buy or sell, which you should also do. It's good for a trader to have the knowledge of candlesticks. We have several of them, like candlesticks that are determining reversals or pullbacks. We have them, or continuation, so you should have them. Some people, they are good at drawing out or marking the areas they envisage that the market will react to. But when market gets to where they envisage already, they don't know, or they just entered because they believe that it bounced on where they think the market will bounce. But when they enter the trade right from there, they just say that truly it bounces or bounced from it, then later it reverses. And if that kind of a trader does not put set loss, it will go what? Be in loss. Or if the person puts set loss, it will hit the set loss and something happen. And the person will be wondering what actually happens. After all, it bounced on where I envisaged. Yes. If that you have the knowledge of candlestick, you see, oh, this kind of a candlestick that is forming here is so so so, then you know which direction to go. So you need to have the knowledge of candlesticks. So in the next videos, or one of the videos, I will try to make profitable candlesticks that you need to have the knowledge of in order to trade profitably as well, without wasting the time actually. So I expected the price market to bounce here and go, and I take my TP here first before heading here and take the next one there. So hopefully it's coming to hit where I envisage now. And not only that, I just envisage that area, that trend line that it will bounce in. It's because I've seen that market had reacted to that particular place as a zone before. As you can see, down here, it touched that place. This is for second time. It's another one here, and this is also here, like 5 places, including where it is now hitting or almost hitting the trend line now. So when it hits the trend line, I'll wait to see what will happen before I take the trade, or waiting for it to break it down. And even if it breaks this trend line down, I'll still have to wait for confirmation to know whether I'm to go short. Going short means to sell, and going long is to buy. So if it breaks there and I go short, the first TP will be around here, and second one will be somewhere, sorry sorry for that, and second one will be only if the market will travel. Second one will be somewhere here for the TP. Alright, so without wasting time, I will have to draw another trend line again, because this market reacted to that place before heading to this particular area where it is now. And this trend line will go for somewhere here. I'm starting again from this touch here. The second trend will start there also, and marking it to this area. Yes, as you can see, to that area. Okay, so that is it. When you look at it, it has the first touch here. Then here, the market reacted to it. First, the market bounced on that line as support. Then data broke it and fired up again, as you can see. Then not only that, it also reacted to it right here. And as you can see, if I switch to a lower time frame now, 15 minutes, you can see what I'm talking about. This is the reaction here, and also it bounced on it here as resistance, as you can see. So that is it, and the reason why it should be using multi-time frame. So that is that. Now I'm waiting for it to hit the trend line below, and on the uptrend, the upside of it, this market pierced the upside as well. I want to put my trend line there. Um, yeah, yes. So that is it. When you look at that, actually, it is said that, as I said earlier, when market touch the trend 3 times, it goes a fire, like it goes far before returning. Like we have first touch, second touch here, and the third one that is coming out to bounce may go all the way, as I said, here and back to where it came from and even break it upward. So look at an instance from here now. This market here has the first touch there, has the second touch here, and has the third one here. When it has it there, see it fires down here. Then when I check it on a lower time frame, then you see what I'm talking about. And look at right here. This is the first touch here, second touch, and the third touch. See it before bouncing on that now. Alright, so that is it. Now I've made this done, drawing the trend lines, awaiting a bounce on that line or breaking it downward. Another confirmation I could make to know precisely where the market will react to is by using my Fibonacci retracement. Let me use that to see where the market will get to, also as confirmation. I draw it starting from beneath there. Yes, I started my drawing from here. That is where the market turned around. And after that, you see clearly that this is the area of 23.6. The area of 3.6. Here, you can see that we have 23.6 there. Also, we have the area of 38.2 there. We have the area of 50 there, and we have the zone of 61.8, which happens to be the golden level as known by traders. So when we look at it critically now and very well, we have a kind of here, if the market comes to respect this area now, a very good one, and very certain that it might go uptrend. Why? Because this is the golden area. Not only the golden area, because of some confirmations. One, we have the trend line there. Two, it is kind of a zone. Zone in the sense that we have a market reacting to it here, alright? Reaction to it here, reaction to it here, the same place. You can see different areas that I marked. So all on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5 times. So which the market is also coming on. So there is tendency that the market goes back uptrend or fires from here, TP here, and here, TP back to, and even break that place uptrend. So I want to keep my eyes on what will happen right here. Alright, I'll keep my eye there, and the profit so far that it has made right from where I uh, started my analysis from up there, envisaging or anticipating where it will get to. That is it. And the video attached, the profit it has made so far, we show it right here. As you can see, it goes wide, as you can see. So see it here, that is on the instrument crash 1000 instrument. Alright, so once again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are watching this channel for the first time, and kindly share the link to people out there for them to gain or benefit as you have gained from this video aspect. So if you do enjoy this video on the analysis we've made, do not forget to like the video, give a thumb up, and also click the link below the video if you want setups like signals and also some tips on, or you have questions to ask. So let's rub minds together and build this channel as one family. Thank you for being there, and have a blessed day. Stay safe.